All right, Dr. Ian Rassel here at Corrective Spinal Care of California. This video, we're gonna go over 3 exercises that you can do at home when you're dealing with lower back pain. You know, so often patients come in and whether this is the first time you've been injured or maybe the 101st time, and what you did before is not working. So we're gonna go over the 3 of the simplest things that you can do at home to help yourself. So first off, you're gonna find either a chair or a couch, and you're gonna come on up to all 4s. So on your knees and on your hands. We're gonna have your hands right underneath your shoulders, knees are underneath the hips. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna arc the back up, all the way up, really adding some extension. We're helping the discs in the lower back. Then we're gonna arch the other way, rounding the back. Good, just like a cat. So this cat-cow is really helpful in hydrating the discs, stretching out those muscles. You're just gonna gently go back and forth, just like that. Good. Now the next pose, we're gonna go onto our elbows. We're gonna lay down on our elbows. This is a modified cobra, and basically what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna take nice, slow, deep breaths. You know, when we're doing this, I want you to visualize the oxygen going into this area. Think of all the nutrients are coming in from our blood, and those nutrients, they're coming from our breathing. So bring all your breath into here, visualize the healing, 10 to 15 slow breaths. Okay, next posture, we're gonna come back up. We're gonna go onto our knees, and this is called a child's pose. So what we'll do is we'll have our knees apart, our feet together, and we're just gonna slowly bring the hips back over the ankles, bringing our chin down, really stretching out the spine. Once you get far down, you're gonna slowly walk your fingertips up and get a little bit more of that stretch. Once again, focus on slow breaths. This is a time to check in with the body. You know, if you've been dealing with this pain for days or weeks, this is a great time to reset. One last pose that'll be really helpful for those that are just incapacitated. You can't move, you're stuck, you can't bend to touch your toes and tie your shoes. You're gonna come to the edge of the chair, your knees are gonna be nice and wide. You're gonna slowly, if need be, walk yourself down so your knees, or excuse me, your elbows are on your knees, and you're just gently bringing your chin to your chest. For some, this is as far as you can go, and that's fine. Just real gentle, and if you can walk your hands down your shins and get that stretch a little bit deeper. Remembering to bring your chin down, and we're just stretching the muscles out. Now, a lot of times when patients make it this far and they're hurting, they feel like they're stuck. Well, just slowly walk your hands back up, squeeze your tummy muscles like someone's gonna throw a basketball at your tummy. Walk yourself back up. We're gonna arch the back just like that. 3 simple stretches at home with an additional bonus stretch. I know it's gonna help. If you or someone you know is dealing with lower back pain and they're sick and tired of being sick and tired, how often do we hear that, Doc?
Every day.
It's like, I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired. Well, please share this video with them. You know, like it, subscribe it, tag someone you love, and please reach out to Corrective Spinal Care of California. Let's see if we can help. Hope we can. We'll talk soon.